Hello everyone, how are you? Today we're gonna learn a new ChatGPT hack. It's about typing math equations using your keyboard if you don't have a photo or a file of it. Today we'll learn how to type these three symbols: the radical symbol, the limits, and vectors. First of all, radical. You just have to type in this formula and write the number you want, and the ChatGPT will solve it. So, for example, if you wanna type radical 9 plus radical 16, you just write this formula and type it easily. And now send it to ChatGPT. And as you see, this is the answer. Okay, 3 plus 4 equals what? ChatGPT forgot to write the answer. Okay, never mind. And now let's try a new formula for the cubic root. Just type in this and write the number, and it goes the same. For example, let's try cubic root of 27 plus cubic root of 125, and let's see. Okay, now ChatGPT didn't forget to write the answer, and it wrote the answer up. And now if you want to write an equation having a fraction, you can just use this. And now let's have an example: radical 50 plus radical 18, all divided by radical 2. First of all, we type the formula normally, and to divide it all by radical 2, you must put parentheses. And now let's continue writing the formula, and as you see, this is the answer. And now let's take in another usage of the parentheses. If you want to type 8 squared plus 16 squared all under the radical sign, just simply type in the formula and write 8 squared plus 6 squared between parentheses. And now let's learn how to type the limits formula. Just write this formula and the function after it, and it will easily calculate it. And now let's have an example. We want to calculate the limit when x tends to plus infinity of the function x squared plus 2x plus 3. And this is the answer offered with a small explanation. Now let's have another example. We have to calculate the limit when x tends to minus infinity of the function 2x minus 1 over x squared plus 1. And as usual, this is the answer with an explanation. And now let's have another example, but when the limit gives an indeterminate form. For example, I need ChatGPT to calculate the limit when x tends to 2 of the function radical x squared minus 4 all divided by x minus 2. And now let's see how it will solve it. And this is the answer with the explanation. Okay, let's see. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, ChatGPT solved it in a totally different way than the way we do in class. So this exactly can't help us cheating, except if you solve it this way. But never mind. And now let's go to the other formula, which is for vectors. So to write vectors or express them, just write the letter /vec, or if it's made up of more than one letter, between brackets the letters /vec. Now let's try AB vector plus BD vector, and let's see how it will deal with it. And yeah, pretty good. This is the answer. And you can subtract vectors, multiply, do anything. Let it solve using the parallelogram rule, for example, and any other rules. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I hope you benefited from it. Goodbye.